Welcome back everybody into the last recap of this week. Today is day 13, I don't remember, and we're going to be very fast because tomorrow we're going to do the weekly recap, so the whole psychological part and the improvement, the reviews, the further assessment will be done tomorrow. So first of all, I done this addition, and after each challenge that I fail, maybe I have a free repeat, I will do the full analysis of trades and the whole trade system, improvements, what has to be changed, and nothing will be safe because I'm finding that I have a lot of improvement opportunities, and this we're going to deal with it tomorrow. But today, let's have a recap of what happened today. So this one was pre-London. The price was in trend, but there was not much volume. And as you can see, as you're going to see, this huge rejection at this hourly price area should have been a mark for to be cautious. Like for example here, as you can see, huge rejection. You wait for the price to break below and then take the retest. Not like here where the price is not breaking yet. So as you're going to see on the high time frame, zooming out, you can see how huge this PSA can be. So it's not enough to take the sell below here. Maybe it was, and I saw it at the start because this one was charted at the moment, but price was trending bearish, so the trend was good. It's not like I was trying to catch a buy on the wrong side, but it was too close to an important PSA and was already rejected. So I should have waited for a further entry over there. Still 10 pips. The setup was good, was just wrong timing. Gold during London, saying price is heavily trending bearish and there's quite a few volume. This candle, let me see if on TradingView I can even show you the movement of this candle. Let me check it. No, okay. But anyway, as you can see, this candle was very bullish, I think up until almost the end of the minute, and at the end of the minute it just crashed down. So this was not a price pre-planned entry, but as soon as I saw with the back of my eye the candle closing as strong as it is, I immediately saw that this one was a possible liquidity grab, candle closing below after a retest in trend. So it was not like I took a buy when the candle just closed bullish, like for example here or here. This one was in trend with a retest. The entry was even here, so was even above here, so was not even, it was a very good price, but 15 pips just price was, I don't know, was after London Open. It made already his top week, was continuing his trend. I don't know, it was not a good entry or if it was just unlucky. I also missed this entry, which we're going to talk about it more, I think tomorrow, more about it, but I missed this because I was not on the chart, and this quite affected my trading because it should have been my entry, this one, absolutely, 100%, but I missed it and it affected me afterwards. Okay, so this one is I had a trade idea. I was really looking forward. Let's go on GJ. Tac. Okay. And this ends up not being a good trade or whatever, but ends up being a missed opportunity that I was not so happy about it. So as if you are here, I validated already this price area as a strong support, especially after my loss here, and bounce, bounce, bounce. And I was not trying to find immediate trades here, even if could have been. I mean, as an advanced trader, I might become able to trade this immediate setup from here, and for example, from either here like I did, maybe we have further entries, but I don't think so. I was 100% looking for a buy above this level. What happened was that this pre-planned area, yes. What have I done? Okay. As you can see, this pre-planned area got broken very, very aggressively. So this is breakout of the previous highs, and what I did was placing a buy limit over here, as you can see, pending order above here after the candle close. And this one was quite a bit a mistake, because 10 pips would still be good even with the price taken here, and placing here, which means that the buy with the spread, the sell should go at least here, was quite a bad trade for me, because I should have just entered straight at the market price, and as you can see, would not go very, very far away, but from here still making 10-12 pips, which to have a break-even trade is still good. And anyway, it was an opportunity of a trade that was pre-planned that I missed, and this missed entry. Then what happened was that I took a sort of retest. So I saw the breakout of the PPL, a retest. At the candle close, I entered buy. This one was not a real very strong candle, and this one was probably just trying to push myself to find another entry after missing out on this one. So this one was a loss. And gold. Now we are in New York after all NFP, and I missed this entry. I'm not sure if it was a miss or if it was good, just unlucky, because yes, this looks like a clean breaker retest, but we are at a stronger PSA and we are not clearly trending. So yes, might have been a good entry, but I don't know. But after breaking down and this retest, I managed to enter at the candle close, and I was very happy, because this is much better, a much better confirm. As you can see right now, no, I'm sorry, here. Right now, we are still in a possible bullish trend. We are still failing to break below here, so it's fine not to enter. But when you see these candles, then it's okay for me to take the retest, as you can see. And the price went to 20 pips, not, as you can see, for 1 pip, as always, quite a bit unlucky lately, not to my partials, and then went straight back to my my break-even point. So as you can see here, I got out at break-even, but was a good trade, was fine. Look at, just watching now, at the difference between this one and this one. this one, and I was not trading anymore, but we're going to see it because this difference of being here and this one being down here makes all the difference in the world. And we're going to see it. I took a break even and I took one loss with gold, last loss. I saw these multiple rejections and long bullish move. Also this very aggressive move give me sort of the idea of, okay, we have volume, retest, this candle rejected, and this candle, yes, now it looks weak, but can easily be that the very next one just goes straight up. Instead, it just went straight down. And there you go. This one was only backtesting. As you can see, I identified that there was this rejection from these highs, first of all, and then descending trend. So let me just remove this. Okay, so I identified this and instead of this one, which was above the PSA, this one had a breakdown below the PSA and then had 4 minutes of clean retest. As you can see, this one was my planned entry, and as you can see as well, 4 minutes full TP. That's the best entry, but I have to be, it's not easy to be there at this time with that mindset of, okay, now it's a good time to enter. So that's why I will need after this challenge to make a lot of adjustments to understand much better, and we see. But this one felt good because, okay, at least I understand what the technical movements can be. It's just that not all the times, and maybe as you can see here, it's not the right confirm, still trying to catch, or here was a little bit unlucky. For 1 pip it was missed. This one was not a good setup. This one was a missed entry by myself. This one, I don't know if it was rushed or if it was unlucky. Anyway, this one is a perfect entry and I should be rational and with a clear mind enough to be able to catch them. And as you can see, this one is example of breakout failure, no real trade. Of course, as you can see, this is something that I might consider taking when I make mistakes. And this one is for a little bit, 20. My entry was here, stopped out at break even, but it just went very, very close to my partials position. And we're going to see, today. As you can see, I'm risking 0.3, 0.4 per each trade, so it's very low risk. Ended up with 4 losses and 1 break even, 1.4% down. And overall in the challenge, we're down 2%. So not good. We have been down even 2.5%. We will have the last week coming, and yes, last week and a couple of days afterwards. Tomorrow we're going to do a full recap of the week. Very nice. So see you guys next time.